We ate this without me remembering to video record it, but it was really good. It was scrambled eggs with tomatoes and broccoli, and so we had tomato, we had some broccoli with it, and we had celery. We put some celery in there, and some of these super greens I threw in there, and 3 homemade eggs and a piece of cheese. Oh, and I also put some ham in there, some lunch meat ham. And I did garlic powder and salt and pepper.
Blood red moon, I believe. Yeah.
Okay guys, it's day 3 of my no sugar. It's going really well. I don't feel any cravings for sugar. I really never have this whole time. In the evening when I have a little bit, like I want a little bit of a pick-me-up, oftentimes I would grab some ice cream or grab a popsicle, fruit popsicle or something like that. And so I still have the little snack thought of, oh, you know, of wanting to get ice cream basically. But then I remind myself that I can't, and I substitute it for a fruit or a blend of lactase. I think that's what it's called. It's the lactose-free milk. And I throw in some fruit, and I have a like fruit milk blend. Not quite, well, it becomes a smoothie if I put ice in, and that satisfies my sweet tooth. Also, because I am substituting it with fruits, I am ending up having a lot more fluid in my body because, you know, fruit has juices in it. And because I'm combining my fruits with milk, that's also extra liquid. So I'm peeing a lot more because I'm hydrating myself accidentally really well. I am also drinking water, but this morning I was surprised. I was thinking that, you know, why am I peeing so much? And I realized it's because of all the fruit and milk that I'm having. People who are more hardcore on this no sugar thing will do no, or like limited fruits and limited or no milk because of the natural sugars in both of them. I'm not going that hardcore. For me, just cutting out refined sugars is good enough. Yeah, my plain black teas are super boring, but it's tolerable. So it's going well so far. Oatmeal and cut up dates. And Lactaid. Now this would be a no-no for people who are being more strict because I have dates in there which have lots of fructose. I have milk in there which has lactose, I guess, even though it's lactase. I don't know, but I'm sure there's some sugars in there. And I don't know if oatmeal is restricted on the more stringent no sugar diets, but I'm okay with this because I have not had any ice cream lately. I'm not adding honey. Normally I would add a nice helping of honey on top of this, and I'm not, so I'm counting it as a win. Hey guys, today is day 4 of no sugar. My tire was my tire had a slow leak, and I kept just band-aiding it up by refilling some air in it frequently. And then I went to work last night and I clocked out this morning, and my tire had enough of it. It was done just being band-aided, and it was calling it farewell. So we got it to the Schwab, and now $900 later, we're going to get 4 new tires. And in the meantime, I need to wait for an hour and a half or so until they have put brand new spanking tires on my car. So I'm walking to Walmart to kill some time. Everything's going well so far with my no sugar. a resident's wife brought in donuts, which at least she didn't bring my favorite kind in. That would have made it even more painful. But the only worst thing about this so far is my super boring black teas. But otherwise, you know, it's not that bad. And I know I'm doing something healthy for my body, so that's good. You can see Walmart in my background. Today is day 6 and I got a special package from Maelove. I got the Glow Maker, which is an antioxidant, and that has vitamin C and E, I believe, and it's supposed to help reduce sunspots and prevent sunspots and age spots. And then I got the Night Renewer, which obviously you put on at night, and I like doing those night treatments in general. And I got the Day Eraser, which is face wash, so it removes your makeup and cleans your face. I haven't ever tried this line before. It has really good reviews, and it was for a good price too. These are for a good price. They don't mark them up a lot, and so I'm excited to start them and to try some high quality skin products that didn't break the bank.
Are you going to make your own dinner today? Red blood cells.
Red blood cells are 4.5 to 5.5, and females is 4.0 to 4.9.
Red blood cells.
4,500 to 10,000.
Neutrophils.
Neutrophils are 40 to 60%.
Platelets.
Is 100,000 to 450,000.
Hemoglobin.
Hemoglobin is smaller, so 13.5.
Oh, you can't remember it like that because it's always going to have a smaller number.
Well, of the two, between hematocrit and platelets.
You're going to remember more things, and if you just remember the name and
eventually it'll stick together.
Hematocrit.
Hematocrit is the bigger one, so it's 41 to 50 for males. And
also doesn't have decimal.
Okay,
now I'm going to put you on a bit of a stress challenge.
Stress challenge?
Yeah, you're going to do it against me.
Oh.
And I don't even have the cards on, Mom, so. Okay, so white blood cells.
4,500 to 10,000.
Okay. Red blood cells. Male is 4.5 to 5.5, female is 4.0 to 4.9. Okay. Hematocrit. 41 to
50 and females is 36 to 44.
Yeah. Platelets.
100,000 to 450,000.
Neutrophils, 40 to 60%.
See, the problem is you know what you're gonna say, so you have an advantage.
Neutrophils is 40 to 60%.
But you already know that you're gonna say neutrophils, so that gives you an extra second ahead of me.
I was just guessing. I have a mental list of a card in my mind. And that's third down the list, so fine. How about we wait 3 seconds? We have a redo round. We wait 3 seconds before we answer. It takes me about that long to remember it, so. Okay. Neutrophil. 40-60%. Platelets. 100,000 to 450,000.
I'm doing something right now.
You also have to study.
Yeah, but I'm in the middle of doing something at the moment.
You can talk when you're doing that. Hemoglobin.
13.5 to 16.5 for males and 12 to 15 for females.
Yep. Platelets. Mom?
I'm doing something.
You can still talk, so you just talked to